In the Middle Tennessee area, automotive industry is big. These shops are being forced to put more parts out the door. They're trying to do it with less people, with less time, with less machinery. They have to build dies out of big blocks of tool steel, A2, D2, S14 tool steels. I go out and I visit with them. I look at an application, and I will look at that application from the start of it to the finish of it, and then try and figure out, okay, what tooling are you, what's your current process? How are you currently doing that process? And then we bring in test tools in order to test against those products and prove those tools out to show the customer that we can machine this a lot faster by doing it this way. What I've been able to do with these customers is use a high-feed milling cutter to machine off a lot of that material, because the metal removal rate, getting rid of the material, is a lot faster that way. So by switching them to these high-feed mills, they're actually running a lot faster. One customer I went in, they were machining at 50 inches a minute, and we upped them to 230 inches a minute, which cut the productivity part down on the machining aspect. Don't be so stuck on the price of the tools, because a lot of times the tooling that I'm going to bring into your shop may cost a little bit more money, not a lot, but a little bit more money than what you're currently paying. But if I'm giving you 2, 3, 4, 5 times the productivity out of that, then it's at the end of the year, you come out way ahead on the cost of the tool.